Hello, everyone. Brent Silverbauer here, and I created a cash flow calculator. And what this does, it takes every single deal in Butte County that's an residential income property. These are apartments, duplexes, fourplexes, things like that. And it puts them all in a cash flow calculator. And you can narrow this down. You can say, hey, my budget is, up to $800,000. And that'll narrow it down. You can say it's up to $500,000. That'll narrow it down. Or you can say, I want to see everything. And what you do is you type in over here. There's a lot of different little things. Year built, we could max that out. Okay, that's the newest. Active, we have pending sold, all that stuff. Pro forma is like what you could get maybe a year or two if you raise the rents. Okay, so you type in your interest rate. Let's just say you have a 6% interest rate, and your down payment. You say I want to put 35% down. You can change this vacancy rate. You say I think the vacancy rate in the city is 5%. And it will calculate everything. It'll show you the cash flow. So this one, for instance, if you have 6% interest rate, 35% down, will cash flow $1,300 a month. This one is going to be $1,000, so on and so forth. So, and then notice these are all red. That is negative cash flow. These are the ones you kind of want to stay away from if this is your buy box. So you can see here, cash on cash return. It'll show you where you're going to be. Now, some of you guys may say, well, I'm all cash. If you're all cash, it's important to know all these are going to look good, basically. But what's the highest bang for your buck? Cash on cash return. And that's going to show you the percentages right here of where you're at. This also helps you to understand the market. Here's everything in the market. Here's what everything's doing. Here's the worst one. Here's the best one. And here's everything in between. And this will help you to gauge how much deferred maintenance is on it. Is there? How nice is it? And is this in line with the market or not? So pretty neat there. We have the sales price, price per unit. You can see here, price per square foot. We have a map here. Shows you all the deals. And so let's just say, for instance, we want to look at, 282 East 8th Street. Let's look at that one. If you go here, it'll have all the deals. And so you could look for all the deals up there and say, how did you get these numbers? And it has all the data. Here's the rental income. Here's the vacancy. Here's the property management and the insurance and the repairs and maintenance and the water costs and the landscaping and the garbage. It's all right here for all the different deals. If you go in here, if you put your down payment is 100%, $10,000 closing cost, whatever. So and it calculates this all annual cash flow, everything right here. And if you want to go look at the property, you just click that button right there, and it'll take you to the property, and you can look at the photos and stuff like that. Or you could just look it up on the MLS or message me or whatever. So, and you can kind of look through and see that. So, anyways, pretty cool. So that's it. Cash flow calculator helps you to understand where things are at, what's going to cash flow, what's not. You can see the whole entire market in 5 seconds. You can know, hey, if this is my buy box, 40% down, these are the ones that are going to be worth it. And then you could also look at the pro formas too and see, what you could do with it over time. So that's it. Hopefully this is helpful. If you are my client, I want to work with you on this. This helps us analyze every single deal very quickly. It saves a ton of time. And if you're an agent, it will also save you a ton of time. And that is available if you're another agent, competitor of mine. This is for sale, $200 per month per user. And we already have a few agents jumping on, so it's really exciting. Anyways, but this is here to help you help save time. Instead of going through all your spreadsheets and calling the agents, emailing what's the insurance, what's the landscaping cost, we do all that. 5 days a week, we update this so that the numbers are accurate and it saves you tons of time. So that is what we're doing, and it's exciting. If you want to learn more, reach out to me, Brent at Brent Sells Chico, and I'd love to talk to you more about it. Thanks so much.